Hello everyone, welcome on your YouTube channel of Lalbagh Girls Inter College. This is Jyoti Singh. Class 12th, as we are doing with the contraceptive devices, we are learning about contraceptive device. We have seen physical barrier, chemical barrier and various components of it. So in this part, we are going to talk about implants. So let's learn about implants.
In this part, we are going to discuss injections or implants. Progesterone alone or in combination with estrogen used as injections or implants under the skin of female. Progesterone and estrogens are the hormones. Action similar to pills, effective for long periods. Progesterone or combination of progesterone and estrogen or IUDs within 72 hours of coitus are effective as emergency contraceptives to avoid possible pregnancy due to rape or unprotected intercourse. What is emergency contraceptives? These methods are used within 72 hours of coitus. Coitus means sex, casual in unprotected intercourse. Administration of progesterone or progesterone estrogen combination. Basically, these are made from or made up of combination of progesterone or estrogen. Here you can see one picture of emergency contraceptive medicine or pill, which is called I-pill, and here you can see the reproductive structure of female, and there are various contraceptive devices and the effect and the use of contraceptive devices in a particular reproductive part. Here you can see the oral contraceptives. When any woman use oral contraceptive, it basically works in the ovary part. Intrauterine devices are inserted into the uterus part, and cervix barrier devices are used. Basically, barrier devices are the female condoms. Now we are moving with the surgical methods. It is also called as sterilization method, advising to male and female partner to prevent any future pregnancy, in which blocks gametes transport, thus prevent contraception. So sterilization may be of two types. Sterilization in male is called as a vasectomy, and in females it is called as a tubectomy. In vasectomy, a small part of the vas deferens is removed or tied up through incision made on scrotum. As you already know the male reproductive structure and the vas deferens. Here you can see the process of vasectomy in the male part. Here you can see the vas deferens are cut off and tied and cut. First they cut the vas deferens, then they tied, and in the second you can see the tubectomy process are there. Tubectomy has completed in the female reproductive part, in which fallopian tube cut and tied up. So as you know that fallopian tube is the place where fertilization takes place, and ovary releases ova which comes in the fallopian tube. If it is already cut and tied up, so the not possibility or possibility of fertilization is totally checked. Here in the same procedure is vasectomy. Here you can see the scrotum or testes are there, but the release of sperm cannot be possible because vas deferens has cut off and tied. So children, these are the two methods of surgical type, or basically it is called as sterilization. It has done in male and female body too. In male, sterilization process is called vasectomy, and female it is called as a tubectomy.